When people think of 55 plus communities, they often picture giving up space. But what if you could have resort style amenities, plenty of room for family and friends, and a home that's built for entertaining? Today I'm taking you inside one of Four Seasons at Terra Lago's most desirable floor plans, and I think you're going to be impressed. With over 2,700 square feet of living space and a saltwater pool, you're not going to want to miss this one. I'm James Sewer with LPT. Let's go inside and check it out. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we're in the award-winning Four Seasons at Terra Lago, one of the Coachella Valley's premier 55-plus guard-gated communities. Now, if resort-style living is what you've been after, without giving up the comfort and space of a traditional home, you're gonna wanna check this one out. Just over 2,700 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 3 full restrooms, and an additional flex room that could easily be a home office, a hobby room, or that additional 4th guest bedroom. Everything that you could possibly need. And with the open concept design, it's perfect for entertaining. And let's not forget outside, the private pool that makes it perfect for you to enjoy the beautiful desert all year round. Four Seasons Terra Lago, we're not just talking about the home. The community itself offers so many different amenities, from the 22,000 square foot clubhouse, the state-of-the-art fitness center, golf, bocce ball, pickleball, tennis, plenty of social activities. This is the one for you. Let me flip this camera around and get this tour started. So as we enter the home, we're greeted by this long hallway. Now, this home features 12-foot ceilings to make this home feel super spacious. And what you're looking at right here, that's one of those solar tubes. So with the lights off, you still get that natural light down your hallway. So as we walk down the hallway, and you'll see we've got tile floors all the way down. To the right here is your first bedroom and bathroom. So this is a full restroom, single sink, vanity. Again, the 12-foot ceilings. And then you've got the shower tub combo here. And the toilet. And then to the right here is your first bedroom. Now this room has carpet. And you've got the plastic vertical blinds. To give you an idea of the space of this room, you're looking at a queen size bed. It's got 2 little nightstands here and a desk. You've got your closet here. And as we walk back out, you've got some built-ins in this little alcove here. There's your restroom. And then we are back to coming down the hallway. Now to the right here is that flex room that I mentioned earlier. That could be your home office, hobby room, or you could close this off and make this a 4th bedroom. It's got a ceiling fan there and plantation shutters. This room is tiled as well. And then to the left, adjacent to that room, you've got your laundry room, which has plenty of countertop space and storage here for you to fold clothes. You've got plenty of storage space above the washer. They have a little mini fridge in here, wine cooler, and a sink on this side. And then you've got garage access, and this is a golf cart garage here. Tankless water heater, plenty of overhead storage there, plenty of room for your 2 cars. The floor is finished here, epoxy flooring. You've got storage over here. Very nice sized garage. 2 automatic garage door openers. And as we walk back in the house, to the left here is a little storage closet, coat closet. Plenty of room for storage. And then as we walk back down the hallway, to the left here are your remaining 2 bedrooms and 2 restrooms. So we've got toilet, sink, Again, the 12-foot ceilings, and then the shower tub combo. And you come out of that room, to the left is your second bedroom. This room, that's a California king-size bed there. 2 more nightstands, the vertical blinds, and then you've got a walk-in closet. So this is a very nice size room here, just like that flex room. That flex room is a really nice size as well if you were going to turn that into a bedroom. And then your primary suite. Now, bathroom is first, plenty of storage there. And again, all the rooms are carpeted. You've got 1 vanity on this side. Get these lights back on there. Soaking tub there. And then the other vanity is on this side. And then you've got the shower separate. Look at that size shower. Plenty of room in the shower. And then you've got the toilet room by itself as well. So the stand-up shower is there. Soaking tub is separate. There is 1 sink, vanity, storage, plenty of linen storage here. Nice big tile floors, and then your other vanity right across the way. And then your primary suite, ceiling fan. Look at the size of this room. California king, they've got room for plenty of furniture in here, but you thought that was impressive. And so this home here is facing east, so you will get the sunrise coming into this room here. So you've got windows that are going to catch the sunrise here, and then you got a couple windows, those face north. But look at this. This is your walk-in closet. The walk-in closet has a window, has an air vent. That's how big this walk-in closet is. This walk-in closet is practically the size of that restroom, and this is just the closet. And you've got wood plank tile flooring in the closet, carpet in the bedroom, and then tile in the restroom. So as we head back this way, let's take a look at, again, you have a solar tube in the hallway, thermostat there, and let's take a look at your living space. Massive kitchen island, granite countertops. You could easily fit 6 to 8 people around this island itself. Beautiful backsplash, dark cabinetry, plenty of storage, stainless steel appliances. You've got the oven here, another oven there, making this the perfect place for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and all your holiday gatherings. Microwave there. Beautiful granite, gray granite countertops. Beautiful backsplash, plenty of storage. This is your pantry area there. And then you've got your dishwasher and your sink in the island with more storage space. Stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel sink. You got some nice pendant lights over the island. Dining area there, another massive meeting area. Perfect for entertaining. You've got beautiful crown molding that goes all the way across. I don't know if you can see it. And then there's your TV setup. Covered patio is going to shield this room from the sunrise. But right now it is 7 o'clock and the sun is setting behind us. So the only room that's getting sun now is the garage and that one front bedroom. So let's take a look outside at the outdoor living space. All right, so as we come out here, small covered patio here, ceiling fan, recessed lights. They got a TV out here, but then they extended the outdoor patio with the Aluma wood. They've got some nice lights that go all the way around. They extended the patio with pavers. So your patio is pavers, including this part here. And then there's your pool with your mountain views. Saltwater pool, little tanning shelf there. So no spa on this one. Pool equipment is down there with your side gate. Dual AC units there, block wall all the way around. Beautiful outdoor living space. Plenty of space for entertaining. We've got artificial turf here on the side. Landscape lighting that goes all the way around. Beautifully done. This home is perfect for entertaining or just hanging out by the pool and enjoying the desert. Now, besides the golf you see behind me, Four Seasons Terra Lago is all about resort-style living with incredible amenities across the board. The heart of the community is The Lodge, a beautifully designed 22,000 square foot clubhouse. There's a business center, a library, a ballroom, even a yoga studio. And let's not forget the salon and barbershop that's available exclusively to Four Seasons Terra Lago residents. But the amenities don't stop there. Outside, there's a swimming pool, a fire pit, basketball, tennis, bocce ball, pickleball. The amenities are endless, and there's always activities, live entertainment, and social clubs that you can be a part of too. And location is everything. You're right down the street from an access point to the CV Link or the Indio Badlands hiking trail. There's nearby casinos and so much to do. Now that you've had a chance to see everything that this beautiful home has to offer, I'd love to hear what you think. If this was your house, what would be your favorite feature? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want more information or you're thinking about buying or selling anywhere in the Coachella Valley, my contact information is in the description below. And if you enjoyed this content, you want more house tours, and you want to learn all things Coachella Valley, subscribe to my channel. Every week I drop house tours, hidden gems, my favorite places to eat, and all the things to do, all things Coachella Valley. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.